Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by getting the essentials ready. Ryujinx updated and your keys and firmware already placed where Ryujinx expects them. Once done, create or choose a dedicated folder for your games. This keeps files organized and avoids permission issues. Now open Ryujinx, you will use the File menu. Make sure Ryujinx is not scanning automatically while you add the directory, because that can slow things or lock files. In Ryujinx, go directly to the folder management area and choose Add Game Directory. You will browse to the folder you made. Once selected, click Confirm so Ryujinx can index titles. This step creates entries and reads metadata, which is why it may take time for large libraries. Make sure to allow background scanning to finish before launching a game, because incomplete indexing can cause titles to be missing or show After scanning, look through the games list to verify each title appears with correct icons and metadata. If a game is missing, make sure the files use supported extensions like NSB or XCI, and confirm folder permissions allow Ryujinx read access. You can also restart Ryujinx to trigger a fresh rescan. This often resolves cache or locking issues. If problems persist, check that your keys and firmware are valid. Without them, many titles will not load.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.